my beauties, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much. If you guys want to see how I got this look, then keep on watching, stay tuned, and give me a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to turn on your post notifications so you will not miss any of my videos, any of my postings, so you will see when I post. Follow me on all my socials at Msblackempress. It'll be right here on the screen. Today in this video I'm going to just do my face and we're gonna talk. For the most part, if you are new, I like to start off my videos by just doing my brows. So I'm priming my face with the Milk Hydro Grip primer. Today the base that I'm using is the NYX eyeshadow base. How have you guys been doing? I've been home just chilling. I don't mean chilling like I'm just sitting on the couch watching TV eating potato chips all day long. I'm not saying that. I mean, like, I've been in school. Like, I have online school, you know what I'm saying? Because a lot of people been, you know, if you're not in school, because this pandemic has, you know, opened up a lot of avenues for people to do different things, to either have a baby. My girlfriend just had a baby this morning, so congratulations to you, girl. Been doing school, and I have I've started my online boutique. I've started an online boutique, just selling female clothing and accessories and stuff like that. Yeah, we'll hop into this palette right here, and I'm gonna use the yellow, which is in the middle right there. Yeah, so I just feel like being at home and staying out of trouble. Now, being at home, you can get in trouble being at home, okay? While that dry, let's talk about these lashes I'm about to put on. Okay, so the girl that did my hair, she sells lashes. Come like this. I love her packaging. Isn't this cute? Like, this is so cute, right? I like the little eye and the wink and the drips of the lipstick or whatever it is. Yeah, so the first one I got is Twinkle. But yeah, so this is what this one looks like. Oh, and it comes with a cute little mirror. Oh, girl. Okay, now we're talking. Now we're talking business. Okay. It comes with a cute little mirror, y'all. Let me bring Barbie closer. Y'all can see Barbie. I'm using Nars. So I'm gonna go in and I'm gonna blend out my concealer. Normally, if you guys already know, where's my brush? I love blending out my concealer with a brush. This brush that I'm using right now is from Real Technique, and I'm going to start with my forehead as always. I'm gonna go in with some mascara on my lower lashes, and then I'm gonna put on my highlight and my lips, and then we be shabba done. Okay, so when that happens, like, say if you make a mess with your mascara, don't even think about touching it. Just leave it, let it dry. See? Just take the Q-tip, I'll go with a clean end, and just like that, It's gone. So if you think that, and then what you can do now is you can go in with a clean brush, and then you just go in and just dust the area. And that's it. Like, you don't even see it. Let me know in the comment section if you like this video and what you would like to see next. Also, follow my girl Kia. I will leave her handle on the screen, and it'll be in the description box for you if you want to check out these lashes. She does have other styles other than the ones that I purchased. Alrighty guys, I love you so much, and I appreciate you guys so much. You don't understand how much I appreciate you guys for staying here and being with me and just constantly supporting my channel and my platform. So I appreciate you so much. Peace. Bye. Whew, child is hot. It hot plus with all these lights. Ooh, hot. Next to that, twinkle twinkle, and get it. Don't mind me.